not-so-distant future, as world factions struggle for dominance, with the Earth on the brink of destruction, the last hope for mankind is a tiny Mars outpost. Who will be the last one standing after the great battle for Mars Outpost? Surviving Tharsis Montes. Available for download today. In the not-so-distant future, as world factions struggle for dominance, with the Earth on the brink of destruction, the last hope for mankind is a tiny Mars outpost. Who will be the last one standing after the great battle for Mars Outpost? Surviving Tharsis Montes. Available for download today.
Hello. Good day, everyone. To everyone out there watching live. Yeah, I'm not getting a lot of viewers because Facebook wouldn't allow me to stream about stocks on their platform. So I'm only streaming to Twitter and YouTube. Yep. It is 5 till noon. And I'm starting a little early because I'm just a little anxious. Let me start my banner. Got to scroll it. Okay, so I got in today on Netflix. For the past 3 days, I've been on Netflix, trading Netflix. And it was going down the last 2 days. So right off the bat this morning, I assumed it was going to go down, so I bought a put option right away. And then it was going down, and then it turned and it started going up. So I just decided, it's going up, so I'm gonna switch sides. Now I'm gonna buy a call option. So I sold the put option and I lost about $150. Just like that. So I'm down $150 in the red. And then I buy a call option I bought 10 contracts for like maybe 31 cents a piece, a share. So it's $31 per contract and about 10 contracts. So it was like $317. And the good thing about this is that it was probably $8 away because I bought it for 4.25. It was $8 away, so it was probably like 4.17. So it was going up, and then I waited and waited because it's something, those dots just started popping up and just kind of screw up the prices. You know, it wouldn't let the prices go up or down. It kind of kept the prices level. But I think when there's a big rush, it just goes beyond the control of those dots. So today it was impulsing up, and I didn't wait and sell the last minute 10 contracts. Every time the price goes up to a new high, I would sell one contract or two contracts, and along the way up, I would sell at different levels, different new highs. And yeah, today's the 28th, and I did buy a call option on the 28th for the 28th. So it would have expired today, but I sold it. So it was profitable. So I sold it. If it wasn't profitable, I would just let it go, and it would expire worthless. And yeah, it hit 425 and above. So I was making in upwards of $1,300. But then it turned after it went to 426 or something like that. It started turning down, and then I got out. So my total I made today is 975, which is my new high. It's my biggest win ever in trading to date. My biggest win in trading to date. It's close enough to say that it's $1,000, because my profit loss was showing about $1,200 if I would have sold at the high, at the top. But I didn't know that was the top. I was hoping it was going to go higher, so I'll make more money. But yeah, I saw it at the top and the profit loss was $1,200 plus something, so close to $1,300. So when it started turning, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get out. And by the time I sold, I have $975 in profits. So yeah, I mean, my lesson for this week is, if I make a trade and it doesn't, if there's still days in the contracts till it expires at the end of the week on Friday, then just keep it overnight, because that's what I did when I bought a put contract, a put option on Wednesday. and it was going up, so I couldn't sell it because if I sold it, um, I would have lost money, and also I wouldn't know if the next day it would have been lower, and I could potentially recover my money, my value of the contract, and plus profits. But the next day on Thursday, it did exactly that. It the pre-market was higher, was $5 higher, but about midday it started selling off, and it was going down beyond um, the point where I was getting profits. So I followed it down. It went up to about maybe $700, $757, but then it started turning up again. So my put option went down. So by the time I sold, it was like $400. So that's my lesson for the week. I learn things as I do them, and I learned not to sell when you're at a loss. When you still have a chance, if you keep it, you still have a chance for the next day, because it might go up or down the next day. So yeah, and this is an option, so it's not it's not stocks. I wouldn't have enough money to buy 1,000 shares, but I have enough money to control 1,000 shares with options. So yeah, today's new high is $975 in profits. That's on one trade. I spent $310 on this put option, and it made 3 times that amount. So my risk reward is 3-1, which is what we want. So 3-1 is what we want. So I'm kind of cool with this trade today, and I'm happy that it's a new high. My last high was about maybe 500 something. So I kind of almost doubled it. So yeah, that's all I got for this. I made 2 trades, both on Netflix, and NFLX Netflix, and the first one I lost $150, and then my second trade, a call contract, made $975, but it also made more than that because it covered my loss. So it's 975 plus 150, so 1125. So my second option, call option, made 1125 for a total of 975, because I was 150 in the red. All right, so I'm your host, Tom Luong. I'll see you next time on Monday at noon, every trading day. Please check out my websites, 10earths.com and tomluong.net. And if you'd like to join my cash earning activity, please go to this website, tomscashmachine.com. And if you decide you want to participate in the activity, please let me know. Your information comes to me anyway through the lead system. But if you saw it on here, just send me an email or a comment or something. My email is on my website, tomluong.net. and let me know, and then I'll be in touch. So check it out, tomscashmachine.com. Thanks a lot. I'm your host, Tom Loang, and I'll see you next week on Monday.